Welcome guys, this is my third video. Today's my topic is multiplication of any 3-digit numbers in a easiest way. So I just explained this through example. So first example is 158 into 160. Okay, so you have to write like this: 158 into 160. Okay, I just explained through steps. So here I am going to mention the steps. Okay, the first step is you have to multiply the unit places of both the digits. Zero into 8, it is 0. Okay, leave some space here and write here. Okay, second step is you have to cross multiply. Cross multiply the unit digit to 10th and 10th to unit. And add it. So here 0 into 5. 0 into 5 is 0 only, and 6 into 8, it is 48. Okay, so 0 plus 48, it is 48. So here you have to write 8 and 4 as a carry. Okay, this is the second step. Third step is, this step is a little bit complex, so you have to draw like this. So I am writing a number here, 158 and 160. So here this is the cross multiplication between unit digit to 100 and 100 to unit, and multiplication of 10th digit, and finally you have to add all those things. So first 0 into 1, it is 0. Okay, and 1 into 8, it is 8, and 6 into 5, it is 30. So finally adding all those things you will get 38. So here you have to put 8 here and 3 as a carry. Okay, this is the easiest way. So fourth step is again go for cross multiplication. Cross multiply 10th to 100. 10th to 100, 100th place, and add it. Okay, so here 6 to 1 and 1 to 5. Okay, so here 6 into 1 is 6, and 1 into 5 is 5. So 6 plus 5, it is 11. So you have to put 1 here and 1 as a carry. Okay, the final step is you have to multiply 100th place. Multiply the 100th place digits. Okay, here 1 into 1, 1 into 1 is 1. So here you have to put 1 here. Finally you have to add all those things. 0, 8, 8 plus 4, it is 12, 2, 1. So 3 plus 1 plus 1, it is 5, and 1 plus 1, it is 2. That's all. Let me see the second example, 542 into 735. Okay, so 542, 735, you have to write it in this manner. Okay, so first you have to multiply the unit places of both the digits. So 5 into 2 is 10, so you have to put 0 here and 1 as a carry. Okay, and you have to cross multiply the unit places with the 10th place. Okay, and finally you have to add. So 5 into 4, 5 into 4 is 20 and 3 into 2 is 6. Okay, while adding both the thing you will get 26. So 6 you have to put and 2 as a carry. Okay, after that the third step is you have to draw like this. So 5, 4, 2 here, 7, 3, 5. You have to cross multiply the unit places with 100 and you have to multiply the tenth places, and finally you have to add all those things. Okay, so 5 into 5, 25. 7 into 2, 14, and 4 into 3, it is 12. So finally you have to add all those things. 25 plus 14, it is 39. 39 plus 12, it is 51. So 1 you have to put here and 5 as a carry. Okay, and fourth step is you have to cross multiply the 10th place with the 100th place. Multiply 3 into 5 is 15 and 7 into 4. Okay, 7 into 4 is 28. While adding both the thing you will get 43. So 3 you have to put here and 4 as a carry. And the last step is you have to multiply the 100th place. It is 5 into 7, it is 35. So 5 you have to put and 3 as a carry. Finally you have to add all those things. 0, 7, 2 plus 1 3, 5 plus 3 8, 4 plus 5 it is 9 and 3. So this is the answer. That's all. Thank you very much for watching. Keep watching my videos, and if you like my videos, subscribe my channel.